I strongly objected to Mr. Suraj Lotlikar about his illogical decision of me taking retirement. But he got annoyed and told me that he will make sure that I will never play for Goa cricket team, Ranji Trophy team in future again.
Jakati also said that once you told him that you will end his career and
Boss, these are all baseless. I don't want to comment. That is the reason I told you to contact the selection committee, which was there that time. They have dropped him. And then again, why he was brought also for T20 tournament, that also you can ask him. It is better, they will clarify better than me. I would not like to clarify anything on that sort because I think these allegations are baseless. This decision of selecting the team, I am not doing it, it is selection committee. And in the present scenario, it is the panel which is being selected. Now, as far as these professional players are concerned, see, Goa Cricket Association has a history of playing all these professional players, and those who are alleging also played with them. So there is no question of bringing the professional players. Now, what is left? There's nothing left. And suppose tomorrow somebody doesn't perform, so selection committees take care of that and they will drop them.